In this video, I'm going to show you how to compress your video files on mobile. We already have a famous app that does that on PC, which is called Handbrake, and it does it very, very well. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that on mobile. Maybe you want to share your gameplay on social media, and I want to shrink it for the size to be lower. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. So go to Play Store and install this app called Panda Video Compress. It gets the job done beautifully, which I'm about to show you in this video. As they advertised, it reduced the video size and maintained the quality. You can also do batch video compress if you want to do more than one. So go to Play Store and install this app. I'm going to also put the link in the video description. So this is how you get it done. You open the Panda app. So after that, you have to select the video you want to compress. I'll go to my albums and go to download folder. This is Assassin's Creed Origin. This is the ending part I recorded with my PC, which is about 4 minutes and the size is 2 gig. I'm going to try to compress it with this Panda video compressor. You click on it and click on next. By the way, you can select batch videos. If you want to compress more than 5, you can select all of them, even if it's 10 if you want. You click on next. It gives you so many options. Small file share. This is going to reduce the resolution to 634 by 356, which is too low. We have the medium quality, which is going to reduce the resolution to 960p, 960 by 540. We have large file, just compress. This is going to maintain the original resolution, which is 1080p, and just compress the file for you. You can make it to fit to Facebook Messenger. You can make it to fit to email, 25 MB or lower. You can select the type of email you want to send it to, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, other type of stuff. You can select a custom resolution if you want. Maybe if you want to do 720p, you go 1280 by 720. So you can, there's so many options to choose from, but reducing the resolution is going to make the video size even smaller. But I'm not going to do that in this video. I'm just going to maintain the 1080p resolution and just compress the video, which is going to be large file, just compress. That's what we're going to use in this video. I'm going to click on large file, just compress. Remember, reducing the resolution is going to make the video size even smaller. So I'm going to go with the default 1080p resolution. I click on compress. Now it's going to do the thing for you. Just make sure your phone screen doesn't turn off, because when Android phone screen turn off, it set the phone into power saving mode. Now the process is complete. You can see that it reduces the size from 2 gig to 148 megabytes. Same resolution, guys, same resolution. I didn't touch the resolution, same 1080p. So if you choose to reduce the resolution, it's going to break down the video size even further. I played the 2 video files on my PC and I can't even tell the difference. I can't tell the difference. So this is how you compress your video files on your mobile devices. That'll be all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one. Peace out.
Find a way